Good evening. The Dolores County Broadcasting Network presents the DCTV 4-H news program for Monday, November 6th, 2017. Camera person, Hannah. Video engineer, Edward. Sound engineer, Edward. Teleprompter and prompter, Myra. News anchor, Devin. Meteorologist, Daniel. And this is a quick sports update. The New York Jets whooped the Buffalo Bills. And the Denver Donkeys, oh my God. Did they get spanked or did they get spanked? They're almost as bad as the Jets. So, what was that? 51-23. Okay, and this is the news director, the coach of the Jets, and now the news.
Good afternoon and welcome to DCTV 4-H Evening News and Weather Program. Help keep our kids' news show on air by becoming a sponsor. To buy a sponsorship, just call 970-677-4119. This story is from the Cortez Journal. Winter weather advisory: snow in the mountains. The National Weather Service has announced that a winter weather advisory is in effect for southwest Colorado from 9 p.m. Monday through 11 p.m. Tuesday. Moderate and to heavy snowfall is expected, producing wet and snow-packed roads in the San Juan Mountains, in Montezuma, Dolores, and La Plata counties. By Wednesday morning, 5 to 10 inches of snow is expected at 9,000 feet, with up to a foot on some westerly slopes above 10,000 feet. Southwest winds will gust at 35 to 45 miles per hour above 10,000 feet, creating an area of blowing and drifting snow. The Weather Service said visibility may be reduced to less than a half mile on Tuesday night. In Montezuma County, isolation showers are expected after 4 p.m. on Monday with a high temperature of 51 degrees. Monday night, there's a 70% chance of showers with a low of 38 degrees and winds of 5 to 10 miles per hour. On Tuesday, rain and snow showers are likely to begin in the morning with a high near of 48 degrees. Tuesday night, there is a 50% chance of rain showers starting at 10 p.m. to low temperatures is expected to be 30 degrees. Sunny skies are expected Wednesdays through Sunday, with high rising from about 49 degrees on Wednesday to 58 by Sunday. Overnight lows are expected to be 32 degrees. Next Monday, tune to DVTV to get your local forecast. The following story is from Denver Post. UN Weather Agency 2017 set among the top 3 hottest years. The UN Weathers and Climate Agency says 2017 is set to become the hottest year on record, aside those impacted by the El Nino phenomenon. The World Meteorological Organization says this year is already on track to be one of the 3 hottest years of all time after 2015-2016, which were both affected by a powerful El Nino effect, which can contribute to higher temperatures. Last year, it set a record for the Earth's average global temperature. The warning was timed for Monday start of the latest UN climate change conference hosted by Bonn, Germany. Some 25,000 scientists, envoys, lobbyists, and environmental activists the screen on the city for 2 weeks trying to figure out how to turn the goals of 2015 Paris Climate Change Accord into reality. WMO says key indicators of climate change such as rising carbon dioxide concentrations in the atmosphere, rising seas levels, and the acidification of oceans continue unabated this year. The 5 years average temperature from 2013 to 2017 is more than 1 degree Celsius higher than during the pre-industrial period. WMO says 2017 has been marked by higher than average rainfall in places like Western China, Southern America, and contiguous United States has also been marked for lower than average covered areas for the Arctic sea ice. This story is from Durango Herald. The heart continues to break. Mother of theater shooting victim says of Texas massacre. For those who survived or lost a loved one in the mass shooting, Sunday's news that more than 20 people were gunned down during a church service in Texas is bound to be gut-wrenching, said Sandy Phillips, mother of Aurora shooting victims Jessica and Guy. The heart continues to break, she says. Anyone who has suffered through the mass shooting goes back to their situation, the news they got that night, the sounds that they heard. Since their 24-year-old daughter died along with 11 other fatal shots at the Aurora movie theater in 2012, Phyllis and her husband, Lonnie Phillips, have traveled the country doing what they can to comfort and empower victims of violence. When the couple heard that a gunman holed up in the Las Vegas hotel had opened fire on concert goers, killing 59 and injuring more than 500, they went to the city to comfort the survivors. We were just down in Las Vegas doing what we could help. Now we are looking for possibilities of going to Texas, she said. The Phillips, who sold their home and bought a camper following Jessica's death, had traveled the country meeting with survivors and pushing for stronger gun laws. First New York, then Las Vegas, on to Colorado, and now Texas. These shootings are sad proof of our civilization's downturn. Now here are dumb laws. Dumb laws in Delaware cities and Frederick Islands is illegal to have a picnic on a highway. And Lewes is illegal to wear pants that are firm-fitting around the waist. Getting married on a dare is grounds for an element. In Rehoboth Beach on Halloween, children may only trick or treat from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and if Halloween falls on a Sunday, they must retreat on October 30 during the same time interval. One may not whisper in church. No person shall pretend to sleep on a bench on the boardwalk. Changing into or out of a bathing suit in a public restroom is prohibited. No person shall pretend to sleep on a bench on the... Yeah, let's skip that one. Now here's the weather with Daniel.
Current temperature is 53 degrees. The high for today was 55 degrees and low 38 degrees. Winds have been between 1 and 8 miles per hour from the west. The gusts have been up to 25 miles per hour. The barometer is at 29.92 inches and is steady. The humidity is at 40%. There have been no hundreds of inches of moisture measured today by the DCTV weather station. Moisture for the month is 0 hundredths of an inch. Moisture for the year is 7.90 inches. Not a big map. There is a high in Montana and 4 lows across the southern part of the United States. So, Montana, and then 4 lows right there, just right there. However, in Wyoming into northern Utah and Colorado, the mountains are getting snowed on. So, right there. Rain mixed with snow is falling from Colorado into Nebraska. So, in Nebraska. Rain is coming down along the Utah-Arizona border. Right there, like, there. More rain occurs from Utah and Arizona into Colorado and New Mexico. Whoa. Right there. It's all in the same place. Patches of snow are found in North Dakota and Minnesota and from South Minnesota into Michigan. Rain with thunderstorms starts in Missouri and Arkansas, then runs into West Virginia, Virginia, and North Carolina. The northeast corner of Maine has some rain. Like usual, Florida is getting some rain. Now here is your exclusive DCTV 5-day forecast. Tuesday, chance of rain. Snow, high 52, low 28. Wednesday, mostly sunny, high 51, low 29. Thursday, mostly sunny, high 57, low 33. Friday, mostly sunny, high 59, low 32. Saturday, mostly sunny, high 56, low 32. Now for our climate change CO2 report. Carbon dioxide is one of the principal causes of climate change, and it is important that we report the CO2 we change. CO2 traps heat in the atmosphere causes climate instability, resulting in significant swings worldwide of moisture and hot and cold temperatures. But it is important to note that the overall long-term climate trend is that the planet is warming. The following are the CO2 numbers in parts per million. For the week of October 29th, this week 404.17, last week 404.01, 1 year ago 402.84, 10 years ago 381.75, 50 years ago 320.72. Thank you, Dr. Peter Tanz of the National Oceanographic and Atmospheric Administration and Michael McGee of the CO2 Earth website for this information. Remember, you can help keep our kids' news show on the air by buying a sponsorship. To buy a sponsorship, just call 970-677-4119. Thank you. Now back to our news director.
And that's the end of today's DCTV 4-H news program. This is News Director, coach of the New York Jets, saying good night and thank you for watching.